Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Clearing Concepts. So guys, today I'm not here to clear any concept related to any topic, बल्कि कहानी में एक ट्विस्ट है। जानने के लिए बने रहिए वीडियो के एंड तक। तो चलिए कोई और बात किए बिना वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो गाइज, अब जो हम बात करने वाले हैं वो एक कॉमन सिचुएशन है जो हम सब ने अपनी लाइफ में कहीं ना कहीं फेस की होगी। आई एम प्रीटी श्योर अबाउट इट। तो गाइज, that situation is none other than when we go clean bold in our exams, fully blank at times of our viva, and clean bold and blank and highly nervous in our interviews. है कि नहीं? I believe this is the very common situation we all have faced once or twice in our life. So guys, the tips and tricks which I'm sharing with you are not browsed from anywhere. Instead, they are my personal techniques, or you can say this is my self-derived technique which I'm revealing in front of you all. तो ये कुछ कॉमन क्वेश्चंस हैं जो हम सब के माइंड में स्ट्राइक होते हैं। नंबर 1, हाउ टू लर्न फास्ट। नंबर 2, हाउ टू रिकलेक्ट व्हाट यू लर्न। नंबर 3, हाउ टू मेमोराइज योर टॉपिक। नंबर 4, how to study whole chapter. Now, when we study or learn something new, our brain follows certain patterns to remember it. Now, whatever we read, some percentage or the portion of it is just read, some is understood, some portion get visualized, and some of it you can memorize. Now, the amount of portion you can understand, you can visualize is what you can memorize, and the amount of portion which you can memorize is what we call as the absorption of the concept. In simple term, if you say the amount of what you read of which you can memorize is what is called as absorption. Now coming to my channel, I hold whole focus on the absorption of the portion you wish to know or learn about. So guys, now here are some steps wherein if you follow them, a guaranteed absorption will be the outcome for sure. Coming to the very first is understand the concept. For a better absorption, you need to understand the concept at first place. So guys, instead of mugging up or just reading, you just try to understand the concept first. So guys, starting with number 2 is to visualize the concept. As if you can visualize, you can absorb well. Now, for you to understand your concepts, you need to be clear. Only then you can memorize the content, and post which absorption is guaranteed. And for clearing your concepts, you are most welcome to my channel. You can also reach out to me on my Insta handle, the link of which I have given down in the description below. So guys, now in order to visualize the concept, you can use the verbal learning technique and the visual learning technique. Now coming to what is verbal learning technique, is wherein you relate the topic with the verbal association of words, rhymes, and repetition, where you relate with a specific word. Visual learning technique is wherein you पिक्चराइज दी वोल कॉन्सेप्ट एंड देन आप वही सारी पिक्चर्स को कनेक्ट करके एक सिनेरियो क्रिएट कर पाएँ टू मेमोराइज इट इन अ बेटर वे एंड फॉर अ लॉन्गर रन. सो गाइज, इन दिस पिक्चर you can see the 33 ways to visualize your concept, and you can make use of any one, or you can use any from these 33 ways of visualizing as per your wish. So now coming to the third most part is to identify the important part of a topic. Now this is the most major step, as whole thing does not need to be memorized. So analyze the important part. You can make use of acronyms or mnemonic, and then link it with the main ideas of topic and supporting details, which will help you to understand the points the writer is attempting to express. So guys, now coming to the fourth part is to divide the topics and learn each division at a time. Now learn a small portion, then take a break, and soon you come after the break. Always start by revising the first part and then start with the second part to make first part thorough, and also you can check that how much you are being able to recall. But hold on, if you are facing the very common situation that we all have faced once in our lifetime, is being stuck at the same place even after trying every possible way, then all you need is to modify, which is our fifth most step. Now, what you need to modify is your way of learning, as even after giving constant effort, you find yourself at the same place. So, just start modifying your way. Now, how can you do so? Is to start by watching concept related videos. I repeat, concept related videos. Do not watch any other videos at that time to refresh yourself or whatsoever reason, as you already can do so in your break time. This modification cycle right in front of you will provide an effective modification to your way of learning. Now, coming to the sixth most part is to make use of flowcharts and tree diagram. So whenever you are trying to make notes for yourself, always make use of flowcharts and tree diagram. This will require less time for you to understand the overview of the whole chapter or a topic. Now, these are some pictures representing the tree diagram and flowcharts. Here is a tip for you in which you can make use of bright colors to make your flowcharts or diagrams more effective and eye-catching. So now coming to the seventh most part is start practicing meditation. Now we all know what power it holds for the highly focused and clear brain, and this will gradually increase your concentration as well. So if you want a clear brain and an increased concentration, you must start practicing meditation right now. Now coming to the eighth part is to never overdo. Now, don't bring too many topics at your table at a time, as then you won't be able to focus on a single topic and you will end up jumbling them into each other, which will give you stress and make you feel lethargic for not continuing studies anymore. So never bring too many topics at a time. Now coming to the last one is adequate sleep. So this is the most important thing. If you wish to start your day on a fresh note, you must have an adequate sleep, as it helps your brain to rest and relax your body overnight. So guys, अगर आपको आज की मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करते जाना. Until then, keep learning, keep improving and start memorizing. See you soon.